lovelies. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Morphe 39L palette. It's an eyeshadow palette that's limited edition with 39 eyeshadow colors. I really love the packaging, it's really colorful. I bought this for £31.50 but it retails for £42. It comes with 39 eyeshadow colors and this is what it looks like. It's got lovely reflection. It was designed by 4 beauty influencers. It's got 15 matte, 15 shimmers, 7 sleek toppers, and it's got like 2 pressed glitters. Really lovely. It's got no mirror, but it's quite colorful. Holographic shape to it. I'm just gonna start by this section called Red. That was designed by Bianca. And it's so pigmented as well and creamy. Those kind of shimmers, they're so nice, just smooth and creamy. I'm gonna go into tweed section. It's called Smoke Show. I'm just gonna swatch that part of it. These colors are so lovely. The next one called Flat Alert, that's beautiful, you know, that shimmer there. The color my type did not really show that much, but the last one, Hook Up, was so nice, the brown. Really love that shimmery one called Flat Alert. That's so pretty and it's so creamy as well. I can't wait to use that. The next line of that section, we've got Hot Date, Love Bomb, Makeout Search, and Obsessive. The Obsessive is like a black with some glitter in it, just lovely. And the Love Bomb is bomb.com as well, lovely. And it's creamy as well, I like the feel. Going into the sleek toppers, they're called, and that's the first color is called Beam, and there's Magic R, Glow Show, and there's Glitz On as well. These are so lovely. They are very creamy, actually. I'm just gonna go into Glim Big, Strobing, and Holo Effects. So these are the sleek toppers. They're so nice. I think this one's you put on top of an eyeshadow. Going into the next section, and this is by an influencer called Lakey. It's holographic. First section is Euphoric, Feeling It, Give In, and So Wide. So I'm going into the next one called Rim, No Regrets, Live It Up, and Chaos, I believe. So these are the colors on holographic section. They are very nice, actually, very nice colors. I'm going into the colorful area by Victor, and it's called After Party. So this is the colorful end. It's really bold. So we've got first color Ghosted, we've got Don't Stop, which is the blue, we've got the pink called Reckless, and we've got the red called Go All Night. I'm gonna be using some of these colors today. The last section at the bottom, we've got Insomniac, we've got Outlet, which is the green, we've got the yellow, which is called 2 AM, and we've got Till Dawn, which is the black, and this black has got no pigment in it, unlike the first one that had the Obsessive one on the tweed section. So I'm just going to zoom in to create the look. Louis base, Rumor 02, I'm using it to prime my lid. gonna put in some powder under my eyes. I'm using my Morphe to stop any, just in case there's any fallout. I'm just taking this color, Don't Stop, and I'm just putting it on my crease, just tapping it in, because what I want to do is kind of do like a color mix and create a purple actually. So I want to mix the blue, the red, and the pink to get purple color. So that I'm literally just tapping it in. I'm not doing much of a blending. So I'm just tapping a lot into the outer V, because obviously that's where we want a lot of pigment to show, because I'm going to be doing a cut crease today. And I'm putting this just down as well, the lower side, because I'm just to tie in the look. And I'm going in with the red one called Go All Night, and I'm tapping it as well. It looks a bit funny right now, but it's gonna blend, guys. Stay with me. Going in with the pink one called Reckless, and I'm tapping as well. It has a lot of fallout actually. You could see the fallout there. It just has a lot of fallout. That's the only thing. I'm using a clean brush there just to start the blending process. I'm trying to blend the top, and I'm just gonna pick up the pink one and use that to blend the edges. I'm going in with the red just on top of the blue there. I'm going in with the pink. There's so much fallout, so I decided to kind of remove the Morphe and put in another one because I was just thinking the fallout was just too much. I'm just going to use my P. Louise base to cut the crease. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe sponge to just remove any excess. Then I'm gonna go in with Euphoric and tap in the inner there, like so. I'm using a flat brush. Any flat brush will do, guys. I'm going to go into this color called Feeling It and tap it in the middle, just like so. I'm going in with the pink called Reckless, going in with the red called Go All Night. I'm gonna go in with the blue, just trying to get the purple at the outer V again. I'm just blending out. I'm gonna go into that stopper called Holo Effect and put that in the inner first half, like so. Then I'm gonna go into strobing, and I'm gonna use my fingers to apply this just in the middle, like so. So creamy, these toppers. Blending that, and then I would blend with one of the blush. I'm going into a beam for the arch, my brow arch there. I'm just gonna proceed and fix my lashes. Wipe off the excess powder. I'm gonna use Kiko in color 02 for my waterline. Under the eyes, I'll blend with Hot Stuff. I will use Attention Please and the color Strobing as the silk topper there. And then I'm just gonna blend with the same crease brush. I'm gonna use Ghosted for the inner and top it off with Beam. I'm gonna use my mascara, Kat Von D, to kind of under the eyes there, and I'll go into Beam to highlight. So pretty. Also gonna use one of the colors on top there as a blusher. So I'm gonna use this color Daring. Wow, very nice. And that's it, guys. I really love this palette. I'm impressed with the formula, and it's so pigmented, and I like the way it blended out. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know what you guys think about the palette. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you very soon. Bye.